Hi, and welcome to ParTAG, the best place for renting party gear and more. Hosting your rental business on ParTAG is easy. This short tutorial describes the steps to post an item for rent on the public marketplace. First, you'll need to add the item to your personal library. From the sidebar menu, select Library. Add an item by selecting the add or plus icon at the bottom. Snap a good photo. You can add more pictures later. Submit details about your item. For things you don't plan on renting out, you can skip this part. If you want the item to be searchable in the public marketplace, move the privacy slider to green. This makes the item public. Public items require a name and description. See our website for tips. If you think you'll need to charge a delivery, setup, or cleaning fee, you can describe that here. Scroll down to provide more information for renters, such as search tags and a category. They help us promote your item. Next, provide rental price information. You can add prices per day, per week, and per month. You must also provide a purchase price and a model year. They're used to calculate a market value if your item needs to be replaced by the renter. Note that if there's a problem in the future, you'll be asked to provide proof of value, like a receipt. Finally, indicate if your item will be picked up or delivered. You can provide a pickup address, which is separate from your mailing address. The item is now in your library. You can manage its details by selecting it here. Add photos by selecting any of the 3 photo bubbles. You can quickly view your item's upcoming rental reservations, its activity history, and location. Click on any detail to edit it, or send a public link of your item to friends. ParTAG provides the tools to make hosting your rental business easy and organized. Shoppers can now see your item in the public marketplace. Lastly, before you start earning money from rentals, you'll need to link a Stripe account to your ParTAG account. Stripe will process rental payments and place them directly into your bank account. From Settings, select Connect Stripe Account. Link a pre-existing account or sign up for a new one. All businesses and individuals are eligible. Check out our other tutorials on YouTube or on our website regarding rental transaction processing and how to make the most of your rental business. Thank you for using ParTAG.